Hey, do you want to highlight what areas you serve? Well, here's how to create service location pages for each area that you operate in inside of MorePro. If you don't already know, MorePro is a software that's helped countless rental and service-based businesses make hundreds of thousands of dollars already, and that's why I use it for my own personal videography business. My name's Tony, I'm your business ally, and in today's video, I want to walk you through how we can create a service location page for each area that we provide services for. So if that sounds good and you're ready to learn, then let's dive in.
All right, so we're talking about how to create a service location page. We've logged into the MorePro software and we need to go to the marketing page and go down to the service areas. All right, and it's here on this page that we'll be able to hit this purple create location button to create a new service location. Now here at the top is where you would put the location name. So let's say your company is servicing Dallas, Grand Prairie, and Fort Worth. All right, so if you have multiple service areas that you want to put in, it says it right here at the top, but you can separate those cities, those service areas with commas and add multiple cities, and it will keep track of how many you've added right here. But once you put in how many service areas you would like, you have an option here. You can check this box right here and click generate page content with the built-in AI of our system. And what that AI will do will generate SEO-friendly content for each service area that you're adding, giving things like descriptions, subtitles, highlights, and meta titles as well. It kind of finds all the missing pieces with safe defaults. You have that option to choose to let the AI generate that page content for the service areas. But maybe you don't want to do that, all right, and you'd like to do that stuff manually, then you would keep scrolling past that, don't check it, and you can check which things you want on your service area pages, whether that's a quote, FAQ, or review section, and then you get the choice in what color the background is for your main call to action button, and then the text color of the actual text for that call to action button. And then you have a drop down menu option on what kind of review badge you want to use. Maybe you want to use none, or maybe you want to use the global setting, or maybe you want to choose number of reviews. You could have 5-star and number of reviews, or 5-star client photos and a number of reviews. All right, but I'm going to choose this. Once you have made all your choices, you would hit create locations and you're good to go. All right, so if you would scroll down on the Kelly Rental site, you would see service area locations. Yours might look something like this, depending on how you set it up. But you could click on any of these links and it would take you to a unique individualized landing page for that exact service area with some about information. Obviously, we got the hero image and the design of the hero image and up there with the font and whatnot. And then we have some popular requests, a way to get a quote, local highlights for that service area location. If you scroll down, there are some reviews as well and a place to get a quote. Oh, and there's also some FAQs included as well. So all of this is stuff that we can customize and build with these service area location pages that we're creating. All right, so going back to our service location pages, once we've created one, we can actually edit any of that, and we have some more areas that we can customize. So we got the basics with URL, location name, status, and whatnot. We have some SEO where we can actually look at how this is going to look as an ad, SEO, and then look at that meta description, that meta title, make sure it's all good to go for you. And then you can also generate any missing fields with the built-in AI if we need to. We have content page where you can edit the intro description for this service location area page, and then its local highlights as well. You can also check off or add some sections down here if you'd like. You can also choose a layout of how you want those sections. So do you want the default, the compact, or the showcase, which is a little bit more open and showy? And then you can edit the appearance as well to an extent. So we got the hero background type. Do we want it to be a solid color? What is that color? Do we want an overlay color over the image? Kind of gives it a tint or a filter, and how much of that is showing. And then right here, we can upload a hero background image, choose that file, and upload it right here. We can also remove the current image if we'd like. We can still customize the call to action button, text, and background color. We can still customize the review badge. and then we can see a preview of all of it. But any changes you would make to this, hit Save Changes. And then if you want to see a more in-depth preview of that page, you can click that eyeball and actually get a preview of the page that you have created for your service area. But that is how we create service area location pages inside of MorePro.
All right, to recap really quickly, we got inside the MorePro software, we went up to the marketing page, and we went down to the service area section. And it was there that we were able to create any new service areas that we operate in, and also create a unique individualized landing page for each of those service areas. After we created them, we were able to then edit them, the content inside of them, and their overall layout. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and log in and give this a go. Go start creating those service area locations and their unique individualized pages inside the MorePro software. And don't worry, if you have any other questions along the way, you can reach out to this email below for help at any time. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel while you're here so you don't miss any new videos just like this one, but so you know exactly where to go the next time you have a question on how to get the most out of the MorePro software. Until next time, I'll see you later.